The Samsung Galaxy Z series has created quite a star owing to its bending feature, quite literally. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 smartphone brings back the old school flip smartphones and adds its own dynamic touch to it. The model's appearance is noteworthy and also revolutionary as it adjusts to the user's demands. The Flip 3 has a 6.7-inch display that bends into 4.2-inch when folded. It is designed to fit small size pockets with ease without any discomfort. The phone comes with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which is the most vivid, brightest and smoothest display of the Galaxy Z series. The Flip 3 is available in premium variants of colors including pink, cream, white, green, lavender and phantom black. Though the smartphone flips smoothly and offers flexible use, it also provides a tough design finish with durable technology. It is protected by the toughest Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. It also backs the title to be the world's first water-resistant foldable smartphone and comes with IPX8 rated protection. One of its cool features is its 1.9-inch cover screen that allows you to do multiple things at the same time, which includes checking messages, playing music, and clicking pictures. The Galaxy model runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor with 2.84 GHz speed that offers swift gaming and viewing experience. Like most latest smartphones, the Flip 3 too works on Android 11.0 operating system. Talking about its RAM and storage, it is available in two variants. One is 8GB RAM with 126GB of inbuilt space and other is 8GB RAM with 256GB of inbuilt space. Along with the 5G technology, the smartphone also supports eSIM. As far as the battery is concerned, the Flip 3 is compatible with 3300 mAh battery and is also equipped with wireless charging. Talking about its camera, Flip 3 comes with a dual rear camera which includes two 12-megapixel cameras, one of which is the main camera set on autofocus and other is an ultra-wide camera to click wider pictures. The same rear cameras can turn into a front camera when the phone is folded. The actual front camera is a 10-megapixel selfie camera which supports night mode for better pictures even in low light. A very impressive feature of Galaxy Z Flip 3 is its flex mode that gives you maximum flexibility for comfortable use. You won't even need the actual front camera at times as its cover screen lets you click selfies conveniently on a minimum space. So if you're looking for something new, inventive and dynamic to experience, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is the smartphone for you.